Unexpected uses for common kitchen ingredients. The kitchen is often thought of as the heart of the home, a place where delicious meals are cooked and memories are made. But what if I told you that your kitchen can do more than just provide you with sustenance and a cozy gathering spot? Yes, you heard that right. Our kitchens are also a source of powerful ingredients that can be used for a variety of purposes beyond the culinary world. One of the most exciting things about these ingredients is their versatility, as some can double as household cleaners, beauty products, or even natural remedies for various ailments. You may just be surprised by how much potential lies in those containers and bottles. Number 1. White vinegar. The versatile ingredient is not only for adding flavor to your salads and marinades, it can help you keep your home clean and shiny. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water and use the solution to remove mineral deposits from your shower head and faucets, or use it to clean your small household appliances like the coffee maker or kettle. You can even spray vinegar directly onto those pesky weeds that like to pop up between concrete seams and sidewalks. Number 2. Cornstarch. This fine powder can help you manage your hair and skin. Sprinkle some on your scalp to absorb excess oil and refresh your hair between washes. You can use it as a natural body powder too, to reduce friction and moisture. If you have stubborn knots in your hair, dab some cornstarch on the area and work it through gently to help loosen the tangles. Number 3. Salt. From seasoning your pasta water to removing ice from your driveway, salt can do many things. A great little hack is to add some dish soap to a generous amount of salt to create a scrub that can help remove grease and grime from your pans and baking sheets. You can also make a natural saline solution by mixing salt with warm water. Gargling this mix will help alleviate the discomfort of a sore throat. Number 4. Coconut oil. This tropical wonder can elevate your beauty routine and household tasks. Use a small amount of coconut oil to moisturize your skin, condition your hair, or remove makeup. It can be used as a natural leather conditioner as well, or as a lubricant for squeaky hinges and locks. Number 5. Tea bags. Don't toss your used tea bags after your morning cuppa. Instead, put them in the refrigerator to cool. Then, place them under your eyes to help reduce puffiness and dark circles. Cold tea bags can also be applied to sunburned skin to soothe the inflammation. Number 6. Baking soda. If you only use baking soda in your baking recipes, you're missing out. When sprinkled onto carpet and upholstery before vacuuming, it acts as a powerful odor eliminator by trapping and neutralizing molecules that cause unpleasant smells. What's more, baking soda makes an excellent natural teeth whitening agent. Mix it with some water into a paste-like consistency and gently brush your teeth with it once a week. Number 7. Olive oil. If you have a stubborn sticker or label on a glass surface, olive oil can help remove it without leaving any residue or scratches. Dab a few drops of olive oil on a soft cloth and rub it on the sticker until it comes off. You can also use olive oil to condition and protect your wooden furniture. Number 8. Oatmeal. Believe it or not, this comforting breakfast staple can help you soothe your skin woes. Add some ground oatmeal to your bath water to calm your itchy or dry skin and lock in moisture. To create a DIY exfoliating scrub, mix ground oatmeal with a bit of honey or coconut oil and gently rub it on your face or body. Number 9. Lemon. The tangy scent and acidic properties of lemons have many household and beauty uses. For example, rubbing lemon peels on your cutting board can help remove odors and bacteria, while lemon juice can be used to remove stains from your textiles and even lighten your mane. Just spray it on damp hair and expose it to sunlight for about 30 minutes. Number 10. Apple cider vinegar. If you struggle with dandruff, apple cider vinegar can be super handy. Mix it with equal parts of water and apply the solution to your scalp after shampooing. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse it off thoroughly. Repeat once a week until the dandruff is gone. You can even use diluted apple cider vinegar as a facial toner to help balance your skin's pH levels, or add a splash to your foot soak to help inhibit the spread of fungal growth. Number 11. Honey. Not only is honey delicious, but it's also a natural humectant that can attract and retain moisture in your skin. Apply a thin layer of honey on your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes for a hydrating and soothing face mask. Or put some on minor cuts or burns to prevent infection and promote wound healing. Number 12. Used coffee grounds. If you're a coffee lover, you might appreciate this unexpected use for coffee grounds. Instead of throwing them away, use them as a fertilizer for your plants or sprinkle them in your garden to ward off pests. You can also put a small bowl of coffee grounds in your fridge to absorb any lingering odors. That's it for this list. Have fun exploring the unconventional uses of these everyday ingredients. Your kitchen might just become your new favorite DIY beauty salon, cleaning closet, and healing oasis. Happy experimenting! Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be informative, please consider liking it and sharing it with your friends, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay updated with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.